Meaning of gray market.
Gray market.
Gray market.
Gray market.
Gray market. The term gray market refers to the sale of goods through channels that are not authorized by the manufacturer or the original seller. These goods may be authentic, but they are sold outside of the normal distribution network. The gray market can arise when there is a price differential between markets or when certain products are in short supply. While consumers may be able to find products at a lower cost, buying from the gray market can come with risks such as lack of warranty protection or inferior quality.